Kin has announced yesterday that they are making the final decision to fork into their own chain. Now, just to recap, a few months ago, Kin was on track to building a parallel chain, which is a fork of Stellar, and all the Kin assets were stored in the Ethereum blockchain. So you have the Ethereum blockchain, and you had this customized parallel blockchain that was a fork of Stellar that would kind of assist the whole ecosystem depending on the use case. And yesterday, Kin announced that they were just going to go with one blockchain, one solution. No more engineering problems between one blockchain and the other, atomic swaps, having two different types of tokens. In my opinion, this is the best decision. One solution, one blockchain, one platform where all the engineers can focus on. You don't want a team member who's doing this and then somebody's working on this type of consensus, and then they have to have engineers that work on the middle ground to go back and forth in a triangle. It's just too confusing. But if all the engineers collaborate on one blockchain, one platform, one code base, that'll be ideal. That's perfect. For now, that's perfect for the future. Now we know where we're going. A few months ago, till last week, or a few days ago, we didn't know what was going on. We didn't know. We know that something was being built, but nothing was set in stone. Nothing was, there was no A, this is going to happen, B, this is going to happen, and then we will build this and that. It was just, we're going to try that, we're going to try this and see how it is, which is fine. And now we have the Kin blockchain. All the assets that we have, that the whole community has, all the Kin that's stored on your Ethereum wallets, all of that, you will all go through an initial swap. So a one-time swap between your ERC asset to this Kin blockchain asset. You'll do a swap where I don't know what the mechanism is specifically, but you swap your assets on ERC onto this blockchain, and everything that was on the ERC20 gets burnt and becomes not usable. But most importantly, your balance gets restored on the new blockchain. So that's what the team is going forward with, and it kind of makes sense. People are asking why is Kin not listed yet? Why is this not happening? Why is that not happening? Why are the swaps not available yet? Because they were thinking about it. They were working towards it. They had teams working on swaps, teams working on the Kin blockchain, the single solution. You had teams that were working on the Ethereum blockchain, and they're all testing stuff out and collaborating and seeing what works. And the best solution, the best balance, was the Stellar fork Kin blockchain. That's the best right now. I'm happy. I think you're happy as well. I'm excited. So we're going to move forward with the single blockchain where everything will transact on applications. All the nodes, all the consensus nodes will now be operated by close partners of Kin and some of the applications that are being released. If they decide that they want to take up this technical challenge, I think you have to be competent in some sort of field and be able to maintain a healthy, strong node. Be able to always, you're going to have a dedicated team, a small team of maybe 3-4 people who are always just staying up to date with the nodes and monitoring everything. So it requires a team of 8, 9 as a collective. Some working on the app, some working on that. So it cannot be a startup with 4 or 5. It might be a bit difficult for them, but who knows? So we've got the nodes, we've got the solo blockchain, we've people asking about hardware wallets. So, Ethereum assets are already compatible with these hardware wallets. Now, Kin will be applying and contacting these firms and asking if they can embed their code base and their wallet functionality into this hardware storage solution. And that will come in the future, maybe in a few months. I don't think that's an urgency right now, but a lot of people are asking about it, so I guess maybe it is. Nodes, hardware wallets, let's see. Okay, now the benefit is we won't have two type of assets. We won't have kin 1 on Ethereum and kin 2 on the blockchain, on the parallel blockchain. We just have one kin that can be used as a spend option, that can be bought at exchanges, that can be earned on applications, that can be sent. Everything is simplified. So prepare for some hard work, dedicated news specifically to this ecosystem. I think in maybe February time, something like that, we're going to see something really, really amazing. But this is already amazing news, and everything's being built, and apps are still being released. And I'm just waiting for the last few apps to get approved and be listed, so I can make a video about them and give you guys their spend options, their earn options, and what they do, and how you can use it to earn kin. So that's it for now. I hope that's great news, and expect another video from me talking about all these applications that I just mentioned, all the utilities of these applications that I just mentioned. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.